इस 28 साल के दलित आदमी को लोगों ने बहुत बुरी तरह से पीटा क्योंकि उसने एक अपर कास्ट के आदमी के 2 व्हीलर को हाथ लगा दिया था। कर्नाटका के विजयपुरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में हुआ था यह इंसिडेंट इसी जुलाई में। मध्य प्रदेश के गुना डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ये दलित कपल पेस्टिसाइड पीने पर मजबूर हो गए क्योंकि पुलिस उन्हें जबरदस्ती निकाल रही थी उनकी जमीन से। These 3 women in Bihar's Muzaffarpur district were called witches. They were made to drink urine. Their heads were shaved off and were paraded half naked. And then we say that caste discrimination doesn't exist in India anymore. It's because most of us don't belong to marginalized communities. We're very comfortable in our upper caste world. You know, every 15 minutes a crime is committed against a Dalit. Every day 6 Dalit women are raped. Every year close to 56,000 children of lower castes living in urban slums die of malnutrition. And close to 1,000 Dalits are killed due to caste-based violence every year. You know, I can go on and on about the violence and discrimination by the upper caste against the Dalits. There's no end to it. कोरोना वायरस तो अभी आया है, कास्ट का वायरस हमारी सोसाइटी को बहुत सेंचुरी से इन्फेक्ट कर रहा है। तमिलनाडु में कास्ट बेस्ड वायलेंस 5 टाइम्स इंक्रीज हो गया इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में। बिहार, यूपी और मध्य प्रदेश में लोगों ने कोविड आइसोलेशन सेंटर्स में खाना खाने से मना कर दिया क्योंकि वो खाना दलित ने बनाया था। सोशल आइसोलेशन, which is necessary to contain the spread of coronavirus, is not a new concept in our country. We've been practicing it for centuries in the form of untouchability. भले ही हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने अनटचेबिलिटी को अबॉलिश कर दिया है, मगर रियलिटी में हम सभी के लिए जाति बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड नाउ इट्स क्रॉस्ड इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर्स एज वेल. Last month, the California Department of Fair Housing and Employment filed a lawsuit against Cisco, a multinational technology company, alleging that they failed to prevent discrimination against a Dalit engineer in San Jose by 2 of his Indian origin co-workers. A lot of Indians, both in the US and India, called this a liberal or a left propaganda. The complainant was shamed for acting like a victim. Okay, let's get closer to home now. The condition of manual scavengers and sanitation workers in our country. 282 manual scavengers died between 2016 to 2019. ये तो सिर्फ ऑफिशियल फिगर्स हैं। बहुत सारी एनजीओज का कहना है कि the actual number of deaths are more than 1700. And in this lockdown period, they've been working constantly without any protection from the virus. They are risking their lives when they enter these suffocating sewers, and all they hope for is their next meal if they survive, that is. If not, they die. Yes, every Dalit is not a manual scavenger, but every manual scavenger is a Dalit. Yes, I know a lot of people will comment on this video saying that the violence against Dalits is wrong and that evils like manual scavenging should be stopped. But when it comes to their upliftment, either there will be silence or retaliation. For instance, caste-based reservation. Many Indians think that reservation has ruined India. And a lot of you will also say that it